Good morning, everybody. Back out at the dairy farm again. Trying to pour this last pad here. And then after this, we got some walls to pour. And there'll be more going tomorrow as well. These guys keep us pretty busy out here. Hope y'all are having a good day. It's sunny out, but it's still a little chilly.
Guess what I discovered about this truck today? But go ahead. The fire extinguisher works.
Oh, Lord.
Well, that made a hell of a mess. I was leaning down and accidentally pulled the trigger on it.
That's not something you want to do if you heard the radio. One of the drivers accidentally set off his fire extinguisher in his cab.
What's burning in there? Well, I guess the fire extinguisher works.
That's always fun. These guys are a little short-handed today.
Well, they keep you shot up in this truck.
We only got two of them here. We got the owner and one of his sons.
Yeah, if there was a pit.
I think all the rest of the help must be doing chores yet on the farm. I think I need to stop and air up my truck real quick. Give these guys a chance to go over this a couple times. Get caught up. Give you a good look at the roller screed. It rolls back and it just rolls in one direction and you pull it and it automatically screeds for you. As long as you have a solid edge to put it on, like the concrete slab on this side and the form board on the other side. See if we can get this finished up. Next truck is already here, but we're only 4 or 5 miles from the yard, so that's not surprising. Go in the low spots for him there. Sounds like I'm almost out. She's rattling pretty hard. And that's going to about do it for me. Thank you all for watching. Please like and subscribe. I I hope you have a great day.